In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Hostinger with Google Forms to enhance your website's functionality. Let's dive right in and make this integration process as smooth as possible for you. First, head over to Hostinger's homepage by visiting hpanel.hostinger.com. This is your go-to dashboard for managing your websites hosted on Hostinger. Once you're signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Having a good grasp of the dashboard will make the following steps much easier. Next, you'll want to click on the Websites tab. This section provides a comprehensive view of all your hosted sites. It's a vital feature for anyone managing multiple domains or simply wanting to keep everything organized and accessible. After clicking Websites, you'll see a list of all the sites you own. This list is particularly useful for quickly navigating to the site you're currently working on. Now, find the website you wish to edit and click on it. Doing so will lead you to the Site Management area. Here, you'll want to click on the Edit Website option. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to add new content, tweak existing elements, and ensure everything is running smoothly. Once you're in edit mode, look for the option to Add Section. This feature allows you to introduce new elements and content to your web page, making it more engaging for visitors. Click on it, and then you'll want to select Add Blank Section. A blank canvas is always a great starting point because it offers complete flexibility in terms of design and content placement. Now, direct your attention to the Elements section. By clicking on Elements, you open up a world of possibilities for customizing your site. From here, select Embed Code. This function is critical because it allows you to integrate external functionalities, like Google Forms, directly into your website. With your Hostinger setup paused for a moment, switch gears and open your web browser to search for Google Forms. Sign in if prompted and proceed to the contact information form you want to embed. Google Forms is a powerful tool for gathering data, and embedding it in your website can enhance user interaction significantly. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the form screen and select the Embed option. Google Forms will generate an HTML code specifically for this task. Finally, Copy the generated embed code and head back to your Hostinger editor. Paste this code into the HTML section you've previously accessed. By doing this, you're effectively integrating your Google form into your website, making it fully functional and accessible to visitors, and there you have it. You've successfully integrated Hostinger with Google Forms, enhancing your website's interactivity and data collection capabilities. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.